Hello everybody, this is D from D's Cute and Crafty, and I'm back with another video for you guys today. I'm starting to mix my fall and Halloween crafting together, so you're going to see a little bit of each in this video. All three of them came out super cute. It was very hard for me to decide which one was my favorite. Let's jump in. I'm going to be using a jumbo craft stick, two of the tumbling tower blocks, some of that fuzzy fur kind of fabric from Dollar Tree, some old sweater fabric that I had, and of course my cardboard ribbon of choice, and my Hello Hobby pumpkin paint, and my Rust-Oleum chiffon cream. The two little cubes that I showed you in the beginning, I'm not going to use those. I won't need them. So I'm going to take my cardboard and I'm just going to draw three ghost shapes very loosely. We're going to have a mama, a papa, and a baby ghost. And I went ahead and drew a banner as well and cut all of that out in cardboard. And then I just went in with my Rust-Oleum chiffon cream and I painted all of my ghost pieces. I did that just in case the cardboard shows through the sweater material. And I went ahead and painted my little banner with the pumpkin orange paint as well. Now I'm just tracing around my cardboard ghosts, and I'm just going to cut them out of the sweater material. These are adorable, you guys. So cute. I love it. But it's not my favorite. If you'd like to know which one is, you're going to have to keep watching. And you know, as always, I'm going to need you to comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite of the three pieces that I'm bringing you today. So now I'm just going to use a little bit of hot glue around the edges and get that sweater material glued to the cardboard. And I'm going back in and trimming out what I don't need, making it nice and neat so you could really see the shape of the ghost. We're going to do all three pieces exactly the same way. Then I'm going to go in with some jute twine, or jute cord actually. This is more of a cord than a twine because it's thicker. And I have all different diameters, but I wanted a thicker one for this piece. So I'm going to go around the edge of the ghost. It just makes it more neat. I love adding the jute because it gives it more of a rustic kind of farmhouse feel. And wherever I can incorporate that, I will do it because I love it. I'm taking that, I don't know, it's kind of like a lammy woolly kind of material that Dollar Tree came out with this year in their crafter square section. And I have it in black. And I'm just going to make some little eyes for my ghost. You can make a mouth if you want to. I did not choose to do that. So on my banner that I cut out of cardboard as well and painted it with my Hello Hobby pumpkin paint, I just wrote Boo Season. And I did that in pencil as I always do, so I can go in and erase anything that I don't like. And then I'll go back and go over it in a Sharpie marker or an acrylic paint marker, anything that is dark enough to make it nice and crisp so you can read it. Just using my little faux calligraphy technique that I like, where my downstrokes are thicker and my upstrokes are thin. Now I'm going to take two of the tumbling tower blocks and I am going to attach my little baby boo to the front, sitting right between mom and dad. Just going to do that with some hot glue. I just wanted a little bit of elevation there. I didn't want it to be quite so flat, so that's why I did it. And now I'm going to take some of the Rust-Oleum chiffon cream and just dry brush over my banner. Going to add that jumbo craft stick to the back to make sure everything is nice and tight and held together. I don't want this piece falling apart. It's very lightweight, of course, because it is just cardboard. You could use MDF board if you have it, if you have a way of cutting that out and you don't, want to cut it out by hand. And then you could also use just wood scraps if you have a saw and you can cut these shapes out. That definitely would be awesome because you can cut them out a little bit thicker. But just for crafting purposes, why can't I talk? Just for crafting purposes for the home crafter that may not have all the power tools, cardboard is going to be your best option. I find that I can craft just about anything I want with cardboard. So now that I have all my pieces parts glued together, I'm going to take this really pretty gray, white, and black It's not even a buffalo check. It looks more like a plaid ribbon, and I am going to make the bow tie for Dad. Then I'm going to take my pumpkin and checked fabric ribbon, and I am going to make a bow for Mom's head. I'm going to add a jute cord hanger on the back, and that's going to be it for this family of ghosts. It really came out cute, you guys. I love it, and I hope you do too. It's fluffing everything up. And here it is. I did have this little pumpkin, as you can see. I hot glued it to the end of my banner, just sitting on my craft table. I'm like, oh, well, might as well use it. So I grabbed it, and as an afterthought, I did attach it to the end of the banner. And I think that it adds another level of cuteness. So, you guys, don't forget, if you're enjoying this content, comment down below. Let me know that. Let YouTube know that, so that they share me out. My channel grows. I'm kind of stuck in this weird spot, not really moving, but thank you so much for being here. Moving on to DIY number 2, we have some of the burlap flowers from Dollar Tree, ribbon of choice, that farmhouse laces Dollar Tree. I have some um, like a neutral colored floral pick, and that came from Hobby Lobby, the bigger one, and the smaller one came from the Dollar Tree. I'll be using Rust-Oleum chiffon cream, and I will be using the black paint from Hello Hobby. I have my cardboard, of course, and I am sketching out a witch's hat right now. This video is really got a lot of cardboard crafting in it, but I have these big pieces and I wanted to use them, and I had so many ideas for them. So you guys get out your cardboard and let's go craft something beautiful today. So now that I have my witch's hat all cut out, I just went in with the black paint, and I left some of the cardboard showing through just to make it like old and, I don't know, spooky looking to me. That's what I felt when I did it. And then I dry brushed it with the Rust-Oleum chiffon cream just to give it another layer of old and dimension kind of look. And then I am going in with the Dollar Tree lace ribbon, which is one of my favorites that Dollar Tree has. And I'm just going to put a little bit of that on the bottom. And I know you're like, well, why are you doing that when you see me cover it up with the bigger piece of ribbon? That was because when I first measured out the ribbon, it didn't look long enough. And just at the ends, as I'm folding it around the hat, it seemed a little short. So I put the other ribbon on there just in case it didn't go all the way around. You couldn't tell. It would be seamless because it's pretty much the same lacy look on the bottom of that burlap ribbon, because that is my very last piece of that ribbon. I love it so much. And I got it from Hobby Lobby, so I'm going to have to get out there and get some more of it. You guys, please cover the backs of your craft projects. Even if they're just in your home, you should really probably cover the back, but I usually don't. If it's mine and I'm keeping it, I don't want to waste the paint or the paper, so I don't cover it. But if I'm giving it away to a friend or something like that, I definitely make sure that it's all nice and neat and it is covered, either with paint or craft paper. So now I'm just cutting down my greenery. This greenery was really pretty. I love it. And you guys, yes, this one is my favorite of the three that I'm bringing you today. It has all of the feels. It has the old weathered look. It has a farmhouse feel to it. It has texture, dimension. I love it. My very favorite of the three. So I'm just cutting up my greenery and kind of placing it where I want it. You guys know I usually just kind of lay it in place first before I actually permanently adhere it. So I'm just putting my florals on the back of the hat, kind of sticking out from the side. And then when I get it to where I like it, I'm going to take some jute cord and bundle that floral pick together so it makes it easier to attach. So I'm just going to attach it with the hot glue. And then I'm going to go on the back and I'm going to add about 2 or 3 pieces of the masking tape and some more hot glue. We really want this to stay in place. Again, you guys, thank you so much for joining me for this video today. To all my new subscribers, welcome to Dee's Cute and Crafty. I'm so happy and blessed to have you here. And to my ride or dies, my odies but goodies, been with me since the beginning of my journey. Thank you so much for always coming back, showing love and support. I'm blessed and happy for you as well. So now I'm just going to add some of the Dollar Tree burlap flowers. These are so pretty for a neutral craft project like this. And I really like those flowers. So I took another piece of cardboard and I just did an oval shape and I painted it with the Rust-Oleum chiffon cream. And I wrote in pencil, "Welcome, my pretties." And now I'm going over it with a acrylic marker. And I picked these up at Walmart. I think they were probably like $10, $12. And I don't remember how many are in the pack, but it was well worth it. They write very well. Just doing another faux calligraphy sign. And at the last minute, I decided I wanted some beads on the hanger. And then I decided I didn't want the cream colored beads. I wanted some beads that were cream and then some that were brown. So as you can see, I'm digging around looking for my container, my jar that has all my beads in it. Sorry guys, I got you sitting here waiting for me to find beads. But I'm going to add those to the hanger. And then I'm just going to make a jute cord hanger for the back. And this one's going to be done. And I'm going to show you guys, not in this video obviously, but in another video, I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing with the wedding. I did do a video of my place settings and my table settings and things like that. I'm going to show you my seating chart. I'm going to show you my bouquet, my two daughters' bouquets, the boutonnieres, welcome to our beginning, this big sign I made. I'll do a little video where I just pan through and show you guys all of the things that I've been crafting for the wedding, as well as still trying to craft for the channel. Because you guys are curious, and I love that. Thank you so much for even caring about what I got going on other than my channel. You guys have asked to see some of the decor for the wedding, and I'm so happy to share it with you. So that's coming up. Here is the sign. Welcome, my pretties. And it is so cute. I really like it. I can't wait to display this one. Look at all that detail. And it's just cardboard, and you wouldn't really know if you didn't flip it over. You wouldn't know that that was cardboard. I love crafting with that. Very inexpensive. And last but not least, moving on to DIY number 3. You can tell from the colors of the yarn, we're going to be making some what? Some candy corn. So I have 3 colors of yarn that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I have one of the styrofoam tree forms, Dollar Tree as well. Ribbon of choice, Dollar Tree ribbon. That's where it came from. I have one of these old spindles or no candlestick holders, and I got that from Hobby Lobby. And it's painted in this cream color, which is perfect. I used it for a tiered tray. And then I broke it down because I wasn't using that tiered tray. You guys have made so many tiered trays. So I broke it down to repurpose the candlestick. So I'm going to be using that. So this is really simple. So simple. It is ridiculous just about. Just take some hot glue, put it on your cool setting. If you have a cool setting on your glue gun, and you're just going to wrap. You're going to wrap it the way candy corn looks, the yellow, the orange, and then the white at the very top. And I go around the whole cone for the first start of a new color with the glue. And then after that, I just add little bits where I need to. I don't keep putting glue every single time I wrap. I do that with the first color when I first started. The yellow, I went all the way around with glue and put the yellow. And then I just kind of wrapped, and then a dab of glue. And I did the same with the orange, all the way around when I started it. Then I just wrapped, a dab of glue. And the same with the white. We're just going to make some candy corn. We're going to elevate it, make it a little bit special and a little bit cute. These are really nice for just to sit around, like in a little vignette or something for home decor. They are really super cute. I love them. And I made sure that I started and stopped my ribbon in the same spot in the back of the candy corn, so that I did not have multiple places where I had to cut. All my cuts are made in one spot, and that is what I'm considering or calling the back of the candy corn. And now that that is done, I'm just going to some ribbon and make a bow. I'm going to take a little bit of this fall greenery I got from Dollar Tree, just two of these little leaves, and I'm just going to thread them on to the bow with some jute cord. They have a little hole in the stem part, so it made it easy to attach it to the bow. And then I'm just going to hot glue the bow to the neck or the top of my candlestick and attach my candy corn to that. And this one is done. And it's quick. You can make a couple of them. I made two. You'll see that in the reveal. Um, I would have made three, but I didn't have another cone to use or another styrofoam Christmas tree to use. I have to save some of those actually for Christmas. So I didn't use them all. I just did two for you guys, but so cute. And they're different. They're not exactly the same. I just stood the other one on a cream colored bead, a large bead. Super cute. And here are the two pieces of candy corn. I did a one that stands a little taller than the other. I like the staggered look, but those are so cute, you guys. Super simple. And here's the final reveal of everything that I have made for you guys today. Oh my goodness, I really, really had such a hard time choosing. And I know everybody does not like candy corn, but in decor, everybody likes candy corn. May not love it as a snack. Some people, you love it or you hate it. I'm on the love team. I know, don't hate me. I love candy corn. But if we're decorating with it, I think everybody can kind of love it. It was so hard. I really almost chose the Boo Season sign, but the witch's hat got me. Just so pretty. Thank you guys for being here. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, do all the things. And as always, you guys, be blessed. Stay safe. And until I see you in my next one, craft something beautiful today, you guys. Bye. Oh, if you made it to the end of my video, leave me a witch's hat. Thank you. Bye, guys.